Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today's gonna be a fun one. We're gonna be throwing on Pat's new wheels. I'm warming up the Miata right now. We're gonna head over to Pat's house. And yeah, I'll see you guys over there in a second. Oh look, another Miata.
Hi!
Hi!
It's Brandon Lay back at it again!
Oh man, the two Miatas haven't been together in so long.
In so long. Last time they were together, we replaced your tranny.
Yeah, honestly.
Remember, check out that video.
Yeah, that was a pretty fun video.
It was a pretty fun video. We were tired as hell though. Yeah,
very. But yeah, we're at Pat's. If you haven't checked out the trans swap, that was a good video to check out.
Video.
Yeah, it's a little long, but we did a lot in that video. It was a super fun video. We were all hanging out, so check that out.
Unfortunately, I was too impatient to wait for the underglow install on the Miata. You barely can see it though, but it was a fun install. We're gonna do another install probably on Pat's STI
and my WRX, basically everyone's cars. And
I may or may not have picked up a BRZ. We'll see.
Oh.
So maybe on the BRZ as well.
Alrighty.
All right. Oh, this is Pat's STI. He already started.
Yeah, he started without us.
I know.
Fucking
crazy
loser.
And he's not even here.
Yeah. He started without us. He told us to come.
And he's not even here.
And then he's not even here. And the wheels are on.
Wheels are on.
But yeah, these are the BBSs. They don't have the center caps on right now.
He does have
also
them,
not aired out, so.
He does have them.
Yeah. Clapped ass car, boy. Clapped ass car.
The fronts look good though.
Yeah, the fronts do look really good.
Maybe because his fenders aren't clapped in the front.
Yeah. So I just drove the Miata for like 50 minutes to an hour. My ears are literally ringing.
Oh yeah, no.
Ringing.
When I had an exhaust leak.
Oh my god.
No, I definitely feel you.
It's so bad.
Because when I drove back from Texas, I had an exhaust leak the whole time.
Oh my god.
So my ears the whole time were.
Yeah. It's bad. I need to get my exhaust fixed.
We'll be back. Top mufflers.
Yes, sir. Check out that video.
Check out that video.
It's a fun time.
It was a great time.
We always have a fun time. Comment down below if you guys think that Pat should go more camber or less camber. Let us know, because Pat wants to do -20, but I don't know.
All right, we're gonna.
That's a lot of cambies. That's a lot of cambies.
I'm gonna level test this. Weak.
Cap. That's cap. That's weak. No way that's -13. That's more than -13.
All right, let's check the rear.
Okay, that's
more like it.
That's more accurate. I don't know. Maybe that is -13.
I checked other side.
No, I think it is -13. I think it is.
This was -16.
Okay, so at least his camber matches.
Well, let's see this one.
Oh, you can't see the screen.
Oh. Let me flip. 11. Come on, Pat.
Oh.
So this
boy needs an alignment.
So this is how us stance boys measure camber without an alignment rack.
Yeah. I don't know if I showed you guys before, but I just actually picked up this new custom Broadway mirror. I replaced my old concave one. I think we might sell these. We might start selling these. So let us know if you guys would be interested in these, because they are a little expensive, but we can probably get the price down if we have a good amount of people that actually want them. But they turn out pretty good.
Yeah,
turn out pretty good.
And then maybe we'll do some different colors.
Yeah. You guys can let us know what colors you want. We can order by, I guess we can place the order by which colors you want. So
yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
maybe we'll set up some pre-orders. Check out the website.
Yeah,
and then we shall see.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, air it out.
Woo! This fender gonna go bye-bye.
Yeah, honestly.
Do you see it flexing?
Yeah. It's already started to go. You should have ordered 2.
You should order 2.
You should have ordered 2 fenders, Pat.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I'm about to pull them out more too.
Good guy.
Yeah, I'm about to pull them out.
Good guy.
Oh my god, that fit.
We also ran and got some food. Shout out Quickway.
Sponsor me quick way.
Sponsor me too, please.
So I think after we head out from Pat's, I'm gonna head over to Brandon's, and I have a little issue with my rear fender that we're gonna try to fix, or rear quarter panel.
All right, so while those two over there are slacking and eating food and whatnot, we're about to fix this fitment a little bit more, because this one, I have a 35 mil spacer, I think. So I'm about to switch it out and then put these spacers in. And the only reason I need to run the spacer is because it would hit the Brembos. So the rears are 18 by 10, negative 30, and the fronts are 18 by something something, negative something something. But with the spacer, it's the same specs. So I run it squared, and then this is all slow. Oh, eesh. Gotta air up the car. So here is whatever spacer this is, and this one's just gonna be a little bit thicker. And you give it 2 ugga-duggas. Shit. Don't forget these. This one is on with the 40 mil spacer, and now it's time to do the other side. Let's go take pictures.
Well, I'm not done eating, so I'm gonna go eat.
You go eat. I'm gonna stay over here and admire this yeah. This yeah.
How long have you been waiting for these wheels?
Okay, so the story is these wheels were supposed to be here way before H2OI. HOI was what, September? So I ordered them 3 months before, which was what is
So June.
like June-ish,
June.
summer type shit, yeah. At the end of summer. And then I ordered it, 2 wheels came. I was like, oh shit, what happened to my other 2? FedEx lost my other 2 wheels, and I was sick. So then my boy Gio, shout out to the plug, Gio, he built these, right? And then he fixed them, and he sent me another set which came in like a month ago, and I've just been loafing on putting them in. Loaf. Good loaf. But now they're on, because what are we doing on the 14th?
We are gonna be shooting with Motor Week. If you guys know Motor Week, they are a automotive like magazine / TV show. So they've been around for decades.
Yeah, so what that means is cable shit.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna be
This piece of shit is gonna be on cable,
we're gonna be on TV.
and I gotta fix my car. I think I'll have it done.
Yeah.
High key.
Work.
Yeah.
Nice. on the ground.
Snap! Oh, this one's already broken.
Break.
Whoa.
Ready? Ready? And.
We're done. Except we didn't do anything because Pat fucking couldn't wait for us.
Damn!
Do you know what you need to do now?
Huh?
Paint the hood white.
I'm gonna enjoy this for now.
Paint the hood white.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we are gonna go to the school by here and take some pictures.
Stop by Steven's house.
Oh yeah, Steven has the vid. So hopefully he gets better soon. We're gonna go say hi to Steven, make him feel better about his life, because now he can't do anything. We'll see you guys in a second. I have to take the lens off of my camera and switch lenses to take some pictures of his car. So we will catch you when we are done taking pictures. Alright guys, so we just, oh Jesus. Alright guys, so we just shot with Pat's car with his new wheels. We are now gonna head over to Brandon's, fix my quarter panel real quick.
Hi.
So we will see you in a second when we get to Brandon's. See you guys. We made it to Brandon's, everyone. It was I did a burnout in the fucking driveway.
Like usual.
Oh yeah, like usual. I hit my exhaust on the ground. So basically, I was driving and I hit a bump and it wasn't that bad, but I think just with my alignment, I rubbed right here and it pulled the metal out, and so I banged it back in, but I need to just like fold it all the way in. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Just whacking some metal with a hammer.
Yep.
Brandon's favorite pastime.
Oh yeah, my favorite. You want to fold this in first? So you want to fold the edge in first, and then
Yeah, okay. It's a little clapped, but it'll be okay. Basically, I just need it so it doesn't rub anymore. I'm probably gonna end up getting a new quarter, or I'm gonna repaint the car at some point soon. So I'm not too worried about how it looks right now. We can definitely fix it, make it look more professional in the future. But for now, I wanna be able to drive it and not worry about it. It's time for some spray paint so it doesn't rust.
Where's my isopropyl alcohol?
Did you drink it all?
Maybe. Good paint match.
Yeah, good. Looks good. Hopefully no rust.
Exactly why we're painting it.
Yeah, that's the only reason why I'm painting it. I don't really give a fuck if it didn't rust.
Yeah.
Alright, everything's dried up.
Wheel going back on.
Yes, sir. Just a quick little job. Alright guys, well, thank you for coming along today. Today was a little bit of a more chill day. We got Pat installed his wheels without us, but you guys got to see that. And then we did a little fixing on the Miata. So big thank you to Brendan.
Of course. Anytime to the best photographer in the DMV.
This guy hypes me up too much.
Dude, hype up your friends.
Yes, hype up your friends.
Why does it keep moving?
All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Like usual, like, comment, subscribe. Go down in the description. Check out all our Instagrams. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us, or go check out the shop. New shirts. Make sure to check those out. But yeah, so we will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See you.
Great outro. Oh my god, I love you guys.